In this question, the vapor pressure of pure liquid A and B is given as 450 and 700 mm of He, respectively. Find out the component of the liquid mixture if total vapor pressure is 600 mm of Hg. Also find the composition of the vapor phase. So according to the question, it is given that vapor pressure of a pure component A, we represent it as P naught A, it's equal to 450 mm of Hg. Similarly, P naught B is equal to 700 mm of Hg. Now, in the question, total pressure is also given as 600 mm. Pt is equal to 600 mm of Hg. We have to find in the first part what is the composition of the liquid. So here we have to find the Pa and Pb. This is the work we have to do in the first part. In the second part, we need to find the mole fraction of the composition in the vapor phase. Means we have to find the value of Ya and Yb. So let's solve the first part of the question. So here in the first part, we know that total pressure is equal to the Pa plus Pb. And if we use the Rolle's law, we can write it as Pa is equal to P naught A into Xa. So according to the question, Pt is known, but we have to find the Pa and Pb. And to find the Pa, P naught A is already given, but Xa is not given. So what we can do, we can substitute the value of the Rolle's law in the given formula. So we can say that Pt is equal to P naught A Xa plus P naught B into Xb. And here we use one relation, Xa plus Xb is equal to 1. So from that we can say Xb is equal to 1 minus Xa. So if you substitute this relation here, so we can say that total pressure is equal to P naught A into Xa plus P naught B into 1 minus Xa. For the simplification, P naught A into Xa plus P naught B minus P naught B into Xa. So we can substitute the value. Total pressure is equal to 600. P naught A is equal to 450 into Xa. P naught B is equal to 700 minus 700 Xa. So here we can write it 600 minus 700 is equal to minus 250 Xa. Further, 100 is equal to 250 Xa. So Xa is equal to 100 upon 250. It's equal to 0.4. So now we got the value of Xa. If we have to find the value of Xb, we can substitute in this relation. Xb is equal to 1 minus 0.4 is equal to 0.6. So we can say that Xa is equal to 0.4 and Xb is equal to 0.6. If we have to find the Pa and Pb, then we can use the Rolle's law, and here we can substitute the value. So if we have to find the pressure of Pa, it's equal to 450 into 0.4, 180 mm, and Pb is equal to 700 into 0.6, it's equal to 420 mm. So we got the answer for the first part. In the second part, we need to find the mole fraction of Xa and Xb. So for this, we can use the Dalton's formula. It says that Pa is equal to Pt into Ya. So Ya is equal to Pa by Pt. So Pa, we got it as 180 mm. So 180 divided by total pressure is 600 it's equal to 0.3. So here this value is 0.3. What about the YB? So YB is equal to 1 minus YA. 1 minus 0.3 is equal to 0.7. So this is the answer of this question.